some lathing boards up, jack the roof up, and put a wall up in the shed with the mule trailer. Taking all the mule stuff out of the barn, the corrals. All along the fence, all to that big old house right there. All the mules are up out of the barn.
In this video, it's about where Troy went to Colorado to help his mom do some repairs on some of the buildings there at her place, and then they also do irrigation, and it was about to be turned on, so he helped clean out their pond and then get all that area cleaned up so that when they turn the irrigation on, they could water the fields and so on and so forth. Like I said before, Troy doesn't like doing videos. There's a few pictures and maybe, I don't know, a couple little videos. But basically, just took the sawmill lumber that he and I had milled here on our place, and him and his buddies put it up. Closed in the side of one barn where she parks her mule trailer and camper, and then braced up the garage area because it was kind of from the snow load. I think it kind of shifted a little bit, so they put some braces in there to help with that, and then cleaned out the pond area and that, and then they did some more other little small repairs or whatever, but that was the main thing that they had gone up there for. And it was really nice weather the whole time they were there, and then the very last day it started snowing, so he was glad that they were able to get everything done before that came in. But I appreciate y'all watching, and hope you enjoyed the video.